starting. Hello! Welcome to my very first live, I think, in my VIP page. A friend of mine does these things she calls Teach Me Tuesday, so I thought they're so awesome, I'm going to start doing them too. And I have my lovely assistant with me. So, tonight we are going to make brownies. And these are special brownies because they're not full of all the refined sugars and nasty stuff that you don't really want to be giving your kids to hype them up. As you can see, mine is already excited enough.
And gooey.
And
make sure to watch this and give us a
taste...
thumbs up.
That's right, please do. And they still taste amazing. So, first ingredient that we need to get ready is nut butter.
And give us a big thumbs up.
And this is just regular old almond butter from Costco. Gotta love that
And we
discount.
have this lovely spatula to scrape that out.
And I'm just measuring it. By the way, if any of my friends on here are Pampered Chef reps,
Okay.
I need a new one of these awesome push-out measuring cup things.
Can I eat them by themselves?
No, you cannot taste the ingredients while we're cooking.
Got a long day.
Now, most of the time, hopefully, we will do these earlier in the day when you could actually be watching, because I know it's very late for a lot of you across the country, but this is when we finally got around to it today. So, I'm gonna move that
teach
over
you how
there.
to make these brownies.
That's right. So, what I want is now for you to push on the bottom. Can you push it?
Yep.
There you go. Good job.
The lovely assistant helped with that part.
All right. Now, we're going to jump off camera for a second because I'm going to put this bowl in the microwave to further soften the almond butter. Most of it's really soft, but there was one spoonful that was pretty tough. So, put that in the sink, please.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll be right back.
Bye-bye.
No, we're not saying bye. All right. Let's see. Hey, no
What?
funny noises, please. Okay.
We're back.
While that is warming,
We're gonna crack it and I'm gonna put it in here.
not quite yet, baby. The next step is the yummy Arbonne chocolate protein powder.
Protein.
20 grams of protein, no artificial colors, flavors, sweeteners. It takes 3/4 cup of this Arbonne protein, and just our luck, the scoop is 1/4 cup. So we just use 3 scoops. I'm gonna put that one in.
1.
That's 2, because I already put one in. Whoops.
3. Whoops, we made a mess. Don't worry.
All right, sounds like the almond butter is done, but we're gonna leave it for a minute and finish our dry ingredients. So,
The lovely.
now the recipe says 2/3 cup of cane sugar, but I like coconut sugar because it has less of a glycemic response. So this 1/3 cup, I'm just gonna do it twice.
Twice. Thank you, lovely assistant.
There you go, 1/3.
It's way too strong.
2/3.
Good.
Okay. Now, half teaspoon.
Half teaspoon inside this.
No.
Oh,
Of baking soda. Half teaspoon.
sugar.
Lovely pink Himalayan salt, not sugar. We already put the sugar in.
Oopsies. Sorry.
And then you're gently going to stir the dry ingredients with the fork, please.
Mm-hmm. The lovely assistant. How am I doing?
You are doing a great job, baby. Thank you.
And I'm 5.
That's right.
I'm 5 years old. And this 5-year-old lovely assistant is helping her mom. Gives a big thumbs up.
There you go. All right. So yes, good job. That's a good idea to show them because they can't quite see what we're doing down here on the butcher block. Now, and help this almond butter cool a little so it doesn't cook the egg, we're gonna put our dry ingredients in next.
Okay.
So very gently.
A little bit at a time.
That's right.
Okay.
Now can you take that over to the counter, please?
Yep.
Thank you.
Okay. The lovely assistant is back.
Will you stir gently while I do the last couple ingredients?
Yes.
All right. So, got our dry, we've got our butter, nut butter of whatever flavor you want. The first time I made these, I made them with cashew butter, and that was super yummy as well.
So we did this.
Half teaspoon of vanilla. Keep stirring, love.
Then we keep on stirring. Then we put the rest of the drops in. Then we put a whole big of an egg. An oval egg. This looks like batter.
It is going to be brownie batter, you're right.
The lovely assistant was correct.
All right.
It's kind of hard, Mommy.
Okay, I'll help. Here's the egg.
The big old egg.
And that is our last ingredient. Excuse me, I'll take over.
Okay, thank you. Look what she's doing.
And if, please don't lift it.
Then she's gonna stir it.
If it is in fact too, oh, you know why it's too dry? Because I forgot an ingredient. Yes, can you get out the Morgan milk, please?
Yes. Okay, where's the one? Oh, there it is. It's empty.
Uh-oh. Well, we'll use what there is of it.
I'll give them some company.
Good job.
Okay. Then we put some lovely milk.
Oh, honey, I need to measure it.
How much?
There really wasn't but a dribble, was there?
How much do we need? All of it?
Oh, don't shake. You're getting it all over the floor and the table.
Sorry.
Okay, we needed to pour it into the measuring cup first to measure it.
Sorry.
So remember that for next time, okay, babe?
Yes. Water.
Yep, we're gonna use water
Can I,
since we're running out.
Okay. Oh, we're back. Thank you.
Sorry. It's a small space in front of this camera, isn't it? Mm-hmm. All right, so you mix it up to a nice smooth consistency. And then you're gonna take
This.
your 8x8 pan. Excuse me, leave that.
Take.
And you wanna make sure your pan is greased. I'm just using...
And the lovely assistant is gonna go way down when she doesn't get sprayed.
Okay, this one does spray a little wild, but this is avocado oil. It has a high smoke point, so it will not make your food cooked in 350 taste funky from it reacting to the heat. So you're just gonna grease your pan really quickly.
It smells like avocado.
It is also a very neutral flavor oil, so it will not
So
change the taste of your brownies either.
Here's the almond milk. You usually get this with the nut on and the milk, and it says that.
And you want to choose, if at all possible, a nut butter and a nut milk that do not contain added sugar, because like I said at the start, we're trying to keep the sugar load down
That way we don't hype our kids.
and still enjoy a yummy sweet treat.
Let's spread it around.
Because let's face it,
How do we make it spread around?
sweet cravings are one of the things that will sabotage my goal of healthy eating the fastest.
The loveliest sister is giving you a thumbs up.
Now, I love dark chocolate flavor, so we are going to use some of these lovely dark chocolate baking chips that are stevia flavored, although a lot of times I don't like stevia and stuff, and I can't taste it in this, so that is awesome. And
Okay, can I pour some in?
Yeah, give me your hands. We're going to sprinkle it across the top.
With a whole bunch of lots. And
That's right.
Lovely. More?
No, I'm going to do some too.
I don't want to waste mine.
Okay, now I need you to go and hit start on the oven so it warms up. We're going to use the toaster oven because this pan is awesomely small enough to fit in there. And why heat up the house or a whole giant oven for a tiny little pan? It's all set. All you need to do is hit start. Good job.
Okay.
So you want to bake these in a 350 oven for around 25 minutes. As my friends pointed out on their show, it is better if you like ooey gooey brownies to undercook them a little bit. Plus, then you could always put them back in if you didn't like how undercooked they were, than to overcook them.
What's
And
overcook? What's overcook?
that means cook too long so that it gets dried out or burnt or some other form of yucky.
Yeah.
So, this is Rachel and Morgan signing off. We're going to put these in the oven. I will post a picture of them later, but she has already had them. And do you like these Arbonne brownies?
Yep.
Yeah? How did they taste?
Yum.
So, great snack for after school, for your sweet tooth, or for even a little treat in the lunchbox that won't get them so hyped up they can't focus after lunch.
Okay, Morgan got 2 lost teeth and one's coming in.
There you go. Your fun fact for the night. Bye.
Bye-bye. Give us a big thumbs